If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and compact air conditioning solution for a small room, the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Window Air Conditioner might just be your perfect match. Specifically designed for spaces up to 150 square feet, this window-mounted AC unit is ideal for small bedrooms, home offices, dorm rooms, or cozy living areas. Let's start with performance. With a cooling capacity of 5,000 BTUs, this AC unit delivers fast and consistent cooling that you can genuinely feel. Whether it's the peak of summer or just a warm afternoon, it does a great job of keeping your space comfortable. It comes equipped with 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling speeds, 2 fan-only speeds, and a 2-way air direction system. This gives you full control over how you want your room to feel. You can easily dial in your desired settings using the simple mechanical knobs on the front panel. There's no complicated digital interface, just straightforward, intuitive controls that get the job done. In terms of energy efficiency, the Midea EasyCool scores well with a CEER rating of 11.0. That means it operates efficiently while still delivering solid cooling performance. Although it's not Energy Star certified, it still helps keep electricity bills in check when used properly. It's a great choice for those looking to balance performance with budget-conscious energy use. Now, let's talk about noise. One of the common complaints with window AC units is that they can be too loud, especially for light sleepers or people working from home. But with this Midea model, noise is kept to a minimum. Running at about 57 decibels, it's quieter than a typical refrigerator. You can comfortably sleep, work, or stream movies without feeling like there's a jet engine in your window. Another strong point is ease of installation. The unit fits windows from 23 to 36 inches wide and a minimum height of 13 inches. It includes all the mounting hardware you'll need to get set up quickly. The installation process is pretty straightforward and manageable, even if you're not particularly handy. Just note, you will need a screwdriver, which isn't included. The included instruction manual is clear and helpful, and in some cases, you may want to drill pilot holes before screwing in the unit for extra stability. Maintenance is also easy with this air conditioner. It comes with a removable and reusable air filter that helps trap dust and improve indoor air quality. Cleaning the filter regularly ensures better airflow and cooling efficiency, and luckily, removing it is simple and doesn't require any tools. Aesthetically, the unit features a clean white exterior and a compact build that blends nicely into most window setups. It doesn't take up much visual space, and thanks to its design, it doesn't block too much natural light. As for reliability, Midea backs this product with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, offering some peace of mind. Registering your product on their website also enables quicker customer support should you ever run into any issues. To summarize, the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Small Window Air Conditioner is a solid, budget-friendly choice for cooling small rooms. It's simple to use, energy efficient, and surprisingly quiet. The mechanical controls might seem basic compared to smart AC units, but they offer durability and ease of operation. If you're searching for a no-fuss cooling solution for a small space, this unit checks all the right boxes. Whether you're upgrading from a fan or looking for a second AC unit for another room, this model offers dependable performance without breaking the bank. Midea has once again proven why it's a trusted name in affordable home appliances.